Nikola Tesla, through many of his inventions, dreamed of supplying electricity to the world without using wires. And he reaches very close to this with the invention of Tesla coil. So let's know what is Tesla coil and how it works. I am Shubham Gupta and you guys are watching The Terrestrial Tech. Tesla invented this coil in 1981. Before this coil, conventional iron core transformers were used to supply power to the lighting systems and telephone circuits. These conventional transformers could not withstand high frequencies and high voltage like Tesla's loose coils. The concept behind this system was quite simple, that is, using electromagnetic forces and resonance. A Tesla coil has two parts, primary coil and secondary coil, which also have capacitors which are used to store electrical energy like batteries. Both these coils and capacitors are connected through a spark gap. This gap is a gap between the two electrodes which has the air in it and generates a spark of electricity. There is also an outside source connected to the transformer which supplies power to all of this system. Basically, Tesla coil is two open circuits which are connected through a spark gap. Tesla coil needs a high voltage power source, and if a regular power source is supplied through a transformer, it can produce a necessary current. Transformers convert main power from low voltage to high voltage. Now let's know how it works. The power source is first connected to the primary coil. The capacitor of the primary coil acts like a sponge and absorbs all the charge. But the primary coil should be strong enough to withstand such a huge amount of charge and current. Therefore, these coils are usually made of copper, which is a good conductor of electricity. This makes capacitors so charged that it eliminates the air resistance in this spark gap, and the current flows from the capacitor to the primary coil, due to which a magnetic field is created. Such a large amount of energy disrupts the magnetic field and generates electric current in the secondary coil. The voltage in the air between these two coils creates a spark in the spark gap. This energy flows between the two coils hundreds of times within a second and produces charge in secondary coil and capacitor. And finally, these charge becomes so high that the electric current bursts like a lightning bolt. These resulting high frequency voltages can glow fluorescent bulbs without wires from several feet away. In a perfectly designed Tesla coil, when the secondary coil reaches its maximum charge, the whole process starts again, which makes the system self-sustaining. This thing could not be achieved practically because the hot air in the spark gap takes away electricity from the secondary coil and pushes it back into the gap, which exhausts the energy present in Tesla coil. For this reason, coil is connected to the outside power source. The principle behind Tesla coil is to achieve the phenomena called resonance, and this happens when the primary coil transfers the current to the secondary coil at the right time, so that the maximum energy is transferred to the secondary coil. If Tesla coil is set up with a rotary spark gap, then operator gets more control over voltage. This way, coil creates many different types of lightning displays. Even though Tesla coils are not much used in practical things, it brought a revolution in the field of electricity. And due to this, we could able to understand and use the electricity in a better way. So that's all for this video. And if you like the video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. See you guys in the next video.